Alright guys, I'm Tanoa and today we are going to cook a post-workout meal. Who's ready? Grab a sweet potato, peel it. So grab a grinder, grab your sweet potato, grind it. It's exhausting. Damn. Grab your mixing bowl, get in your sweet potato, add an egg, salting, parmesan, panning, a little spoon of coconuts. Woo! Then cook your sweet potato. While your sweet potato is cooking, grab a tomato, slide it, grab a bowl, put your cherry tomato inside, salting. Then grab some red wine vinegar, put some, just a dash, okay? Just a dash of red wine vinegar, not more. Gently mix it up and let the magic happen. Add the zucchinis inside the bowl, like that. Your eggs, put it on the side, right here. And then slice your goat cheese, like that, on the side, put it here. And you're done. It's so good. You have to try it. Trust me, let me know in the comments if you like it or not. And please, stay safe. Take care. I'll see you soon. Peace.